Working towards changing the narrative on issues that concerns women and family negatively, the Biennial Adazi Nnukwu Town Development Union has held its Biennial Women's Convention discussing societal issues centered on women and families. The convention, held at Adazi Nnukwu Civic Center, had union members from different branches, notably Enugu, Aba, Kaduna, Lagos, and others. Kenechukwu Chukwudi reports.
Speaking on the aims of the event, the president of the union, Dr. Michelle Onubolu, explained that the convention offers a platform for women to discuss issues around women, families, and reaching out to vulnerable amongst them, helping women to become better and tackling challenges while providing a platform also for social interaction and well-being.
So it's also a social event for us. It's also an opportunity to also think about how we can be of use to our community in terms of development.
In a lecture on causes of divorce and consequences, Barrister Chizoba Nnukwu reiterated that marriage is a covenant instituted by God, not just a contract which demands commitment, understanding, and responsibility for progressive union. While in a lecture on sickle cell disease, a sickle cell advocate, Mrs. Aisha Edward Madrak, advised intending couples to go for genotype tests in a government hospital.
Marriage is a lifelong partnership. Not just as if for better, or for better for worse.
Lady Ifoma Abasili, Mrs. Amaka Obianowo, and Mrs. Vivian Milo also spoke at the event, which featured fashion parade, cooking and dance competition, which were won by Mrs. Che Okafor, Mrs. Ekene Anuchie, and Mrs. Vivian Ebunilo. From Adazi Nnukwu, it's been Kenechukwu Chukwudi for ABS News.